How much should you actually spend on protein powders for weight gain? Because some people swear by the cheap ones, while others are convinced the pricier options are worth it. It's honestly a bit puzzling. Product number 1, Dymatize Super Mass Gainer. Let's kick things off with the Dymatize Super Mass Gainer protein powder in rich chocolate. This one caught my eye right away because it boasts a whopping 52 grams of protein per serving and a price tag around $50.79. If your main goal is to pack on muscle size and strength, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 1,280 calories in each serving, it's designed to give you that substantial caloric boost you need to gain mass, which is often the missing piece for many trying to bulk up. Plus, it has 10.7 grams of BCAAs to support muscle recovery, and it combines fast and slow-digesting proteins, ensuring your muscles get the nutrients they need over time. Now, some people complained about its taste being a bit too sweet for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you mix it into a smoothie with some fruits or peanut butter, it can actually be quite delicious. So if you're okay with a bit of sweetness, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a serious lifter looking to gain muscle mass quickly. Skip this one if you're sensitive to sugar or want something lighter. At around $50, it's a solid investment if you're committed to your weight gain journey. Now, if the sweetness of Dymatize Super Mass Gainer isn't your thing, this next one has a completely different approach. Product number 2, Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Next up is the Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder in Vanilla Bean. Priced at about $29.97, it's a steal for those looking for a clean plant-based option. If you prefer vegan protein that won't compromise on quality, this is worth a serious look. What sets this product apart is its 21 grams of organic plant protein while keeping things simple with only 1 gram of sugar. It contains a blend of organic peas, brown rice, and chia seeds, which means you get all 9 essential amino acids without any artificial additions. Plus, the 6 grams of prebiotic fiber support your gut health, which is often overlooked when trying to gain weight. Some users mention the texture can be a bit gritty compared to whey protein powders. But honestly, I found that blending it with almond milk or adding it to smoothies helps achieve a creamy consistency. So it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to mix it up a bit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a healthy, vegan-friendly protein source. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for whey protein, but at around $30, it offers great value for those on a plant-based diet. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those serious about bulking. Product number 3, Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass. Coming in at number 3 is the Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Weight Gainer. This one is around $89.99 and offers a massive 1,250 calories per 2-scoop serving. If you really want to up your calorie intake without feeling stuffed, this is worth a serious look. This means it's not just about protein, it's designed to help you increase your overall caloric intake effectively. Plus, it contains 25 vitamins and minerals to support your overall health during your weight gain journey. Some people do point out that the serving size is pretty large, which can be intimidating. But I'll be real with you, if you're trying to gain weight, sometimes you need to put in the effort. Just blend it with some fruit for a calorie-dense shake and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you struggle to consume enough calories in your regular diet. Skip this if you're not ready to drink large servings, but for the price and what you're getting, it's a smart choice. Now, if the large serving size of serious mass is a bit much for you, the next product might just hit the sweet spot. Product number 4, BSN True Mass. Next up is the BSN True Mass Weight Gainer, which is priced at about $73.19. This one caught my attention because it offers a balanced 2:1 ratio of carbs to protein. If you need something that focuses on muscle recovery while helping you gain mass, this is definitely worth a serious look. With 690 calories per serving and 47 grams of protein from various premium sources, it's designed to fuel your workouts and help with muscle repair post-exercise. Plus, the medium-chain triglycerides MCT, fats included add a healthy source of calories to help you reach your goals without feeling overly heavy. However, a few users noted that it can clump if not mixed well enough. Here's the thing though, using an electric blender usually solves that issue and ensures you get a smooth, tasty shake. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quality shake that tastes great and supports muscle recovery. Skip this if you want something lower in calories, but for the price, you're getting a solid product. Alright, that was a great option. But if you're looking for something more convenient, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Boost Very High Calorie Nutritional Drink. Last but not least is the Boost Very High Calorie Nutritional Drink. At about $63.27 for a pack of 24, this drink offers 530 calories and 22 grams of protein per 8-ounce serving. If you need a convenient and easy way to increase your calorie intake, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this drink is its nutrient density. With 26 vitamins and minerals, it not only helps with weight gain but also supports your immune system and overall health. It's like having a meal in a bottle, which is perfect for those who are busy or on the go. Some users mentioned that they found it a bit thick, which can be off-putting. But honestly, drinking it over ice or blending it with something else can help lighten it up, making it quite enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quick way to add calories without having to cook or prepare food. Skip this if you prefer traditional powder form, but for the convenience it offers, it's a solid investment. So there you have it. The Dymatize Super Mass Gainer is great for serious lifters. Organic Vegan is your go-to for plant-based protein. Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass offers massive calories. BSN True Mass gives you a solid carb-to-protein ratio, and Boost is perfect for convenience on the go. Each has its unique benefits, so choose the one that fits your weight gain journey best.